In problem number 1, it says to solve for x, and that means we need to get x by itself. We've been solving a lot this semester, but this one's a little bit different because it has different types of letters in it. So we'll still do it the same way. We just have to be okay with the fact that there's other letters. So to solve for x means we need to get x all by itself. So let's see if we can make that happen. Anytime I have parentheses, I want to get rid of those parentheses. And the way you get rid of a parenthesis is to use the distributive property, which is a fancy way of saying take the thing that's in front of it and multiply it by everything inside. So this x is going to get multiplied by a 5, and it's going to turn into a 5x. And then minus 5y equals g. Okay, so if we want to get x by itself, we need everything else to move. So we want to get all of this to go over to the other side. So we'll next take this and we'll add 5y to each side. All right, so these cancel out. So all we're left with here is 5 times x. And on this side, these are not like terms. This is a different type of thing than this, so we can't combine these. We have to write them next to each other. So we'll write this as g plus 5y. And if we want x solved for, we want this by itself, we have to move the 5. So this is 5 times x. The opposite of multiplying is to divide. So we'll divide this by 5, and we'll divide this by 5. And now, on this side, we just have an x. And on this side, we can just write all of this down. G plus 5y divided by 5. And now we've solved for x. We got it by itself.